Great designs don't just happen. They usually require multiple redesigns to get it right. And each iteration is another fork in the road. How do we ensure that design changes improve performance? Without simulation-driven design, each iteration requires another costly prototype and time-consuming bench test. Why not empower your organization to more easily overcome these hurdles? SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation can automate some of the most tedious, time-consuming, and expensive tasks in the design process, allowing you to take control of your designs and make fast, informed decisions. Take this pipe system as an example. With 3 design configurations, a long pipe, a short pipe, and one with baffles. I need to evaluate the volumetric flow rate for each design. Setting up and evaluating 3 individual design studies is cumbersome and redundant. Luckily, there's an easier way. I'll start by setting up the analysis for the long pipe configuration. And since SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation is fully integrated, I can literally, with the click of a button, clone my current study to the remaining SOLIDWORKS configurations. Setup complete. All 3 CFD projects are now ready to run. Another useful tool that I can use here is Batch Run. This will automatically solve all 3 analyses. With the results comparison tool, I can easily evaluate the flow rates for all 3 designs and make an informed decision on which way to go. In this next example, I have 3 regulators and need to know the best angle to achieve even mass flow through each channel. Without an integrated CFD tool, you'd be left manually adjusting each angle, evaluating the results one at a time, and picking the best results based on the angles you chose. Why not remove the guesswork and let Flow Simulation optimize this design for us? The Parametric Optimization tool in Flow makes this a simple problem to solve. In the input variables, I can independently drive any SOLIDWORKS parameter. In this case, I'm driving the angle of each regulator. Next, I'll create a goal that directs the solver to continue to iterate through the design space until the mass flow rate through each regulator is the same. Running through a series of studies with different angles, the optimization tool provides the best possible design based on the goals of the studies. This is the magic of a fully integrated simulation-driven design. Cloning studies for multiple configurations, batch running analyses, comparing results, and parametric optimization are just some of the tools that make design to analysis integration a game changer. Shortening the design process without sacrificing innovation is the overarching goal for any designer or engineer. Use Flow Simulation from the very beginning of the design process to intelligently drive design changes and take out the guesswork. Contact your SOLIDWORKS reseller today to learn how Flow Simulation can minimize prototyping and speed up the design of your next project.